Hi,
Hello.
what is your name?
May I inquire about your name?
I am Jenny.
My name is Jenny.
How are you?
How are you today?
I am fine.
I am doing well.
Can you help me?
Would you assist me?
I am heading to the market. Do you come with me?
I am going to the market. Would you be willing to accompany me?
Sure, why not?
Certainly, why not?
What do you do?
What is your occupation?
I work as a teacher.
I am engaged in teaching.
What are you planning to get from the market?
What do you need to buy from the market?
I need to buy some cosmetics.
I need to purchase some cosmetics.
Let's go to the market.
Let us proceed to the market.
Nice to meet you, Jenny.
I am pleased to meet you, Jenny.
Okay, bye, see you later.
All right, goodbye. We will meet again.